Welcome back, traveler. I'm Enrique Lomnitz, National Geographic Explorer. How did your last challenge go? Now, to me, this is a really important challenge that we just did, because learning from other people's perspectives, especially those that are really different from our own, is like a key part of being an explorer. Now, exploring is all about going out and finding people, things, opinions, perspectives that are different from our own. So it's a really important challenge. I learned a lot. I hope you did too. Now, this next clue is going to be super important as well. So get ready. Here comes the clue. Ready? Lane, Ophelia, Aster, and Kat are working collectively towards a common goal. They're contributing their talents and skills, each different part important to the whole. They want the florist to drop the hat and return the feathers, and they plan to do what it takes to make others feel the pressure. Lane designs a sticker. Ophelia writes a letter. Kat shares what she knows best, and Aster brings it all together. They communicate their call to action in ways that will be heard, because the protection of animals is bigger than any single bird. You too have something important to say about an issue that matters. Communicate to others what you think. Your words are much more than just chatter. Okay, that's the clue. Now, this challenge is going to put you to the test, but learning to communicate with others is like a key, crucial part of being an explorer, and especially when it comes to difficult conversations. How else can an explorer's work reach people if they don't learn how to communicate? I think I might try this clue as well. We can't overestimate the value of communicating. No matter what we do in the world, it's when we really share it that it comes together and it becomes important. So I'll see you in the next challenge. Get ready. Good luck traveling.